Hello everyone, good morning. MPX Auto from Sydney East, James here. How are you today? In this video we would like to share the work that we already finished in the rescue for Toyota Prado Kakadu 150 series 2011. We already introduced this car in the video before, and you already know that this Kakadu, when it came to our workshop, it actually didn't have anything turned on from the center console. The entertainment and infotainment system was completely black or showing like a dead system. Nothing on the previous factory screen, navigation screen, nothing working on the CD player, AM, FM radio over here, nothing. And nothing working on the steering wheel control, nothing working on the roof LCD system, and no sound at all from the car, and absolutely no camera, not 360 camera, not reverse camera, nothing. I absolutely mean nothing. So at this moment, I think if you check out, we already had another video showing that we successfully rescued this car Kadu back to the factory infotainment entertainment working system before we apply our new upgrade. So we actually found the serious problem from the car that actually made the whole infotainment showing like a dead system, and it already got recovered back to the stock standard working condition before we apply our new 9-inch premium 5th generation system upgrade on this car. And at this moment it's already been done at the very best way that we could do, which actually including the top 9-inch premium head unit with the quad LED system screen and wireless Apple Carplay and wireless Android Auto running super fast and smooth and super stable. Not only that, it also let all the factory system running like many other Kakadu that we did before, like steering wheel controls working and factory 360 cameras working button over here, and also the roof LCDs working, and the CD player, DVD player over here working, and the sound system, factory amplifier and premium speaker setup working very well. And furthermore, the new system here has a very high level of the digital sound processors amplifier that combine with the new system here and tune up and make it beautiful sound at this moment in this car. We have some other videos showing the performance of the sound system in this particular car and in the similar system like this one. So if you have time, please watch other video we have, which you can hear the full high resolution of the music in other video, and you can feel it at least. We hope that you can feel how better the sound system could be, even though we couldn't have high level recorder, but we hope that you can feel the same thing that we feel when we sit in this car, listen to music. Now, one of the special thing about this car is we also installed a fifth camera, a full HD anti-glare, super wide angle and super night vision reverse camera for the car. So what that means is on the back of the car we actually fit another one to have the owner seeing the rear end system very well. So what that means, you see that the car has the turbo here, okay, and now come back to the factory camera, it's here. If you know that the factory camera cannot see the turbo by any chance, now at this moment the turbo and the bumper bar stay well inside the range of the new camera setup, and the new camera actually stay right here. You can see that it's beautifully showing the camera over here. So now let's see how the full HD anti-glare and super night vision cameras performance is. That's what I want to show now. Okay, when we reverse, you quickly see that the system showing the parking sensor at the back end. Okay, the factory parking sensor is showing up nicely on the screen here, and it shows that 3 of the sensor on the left side actually are closer to the objects. That's good. Now look at this. This is the turbo. Okay, this is the turbo, and this is the rear wheel cover, and this is the turbo, and this is the number plate, and we can even adjust to see further. But this is turbo and the bumper bar here, and the bottom there bumper bar here. So you can see the turbo very well here at the bottom of the screen, and the camera is fully adjustable, and it is very high resolution because this is Full HD one. So you can count every single piece at the back end, day and night time. Beautiful. That's how the fifth camera is working. Very nice. And now, in case you want to access the factory reverse camera, factory 360 camera here, simply we can access it directly from the system here, and go in here, and then you turn on the factory camera. So you can see that the factory camera is showing like this easily. Yep. So that's the factory and front left camera, and that is the factory front camera. Okay. It's not as high resolution as our Full HD camera at the back, but it is the factory camera, and it's still there, and it's still working there. Okay, so when I press the button here, you can see the camera changing the camera location as exactly as what you had before. If you have this car, you definitely know that. And now, if in case we are checking this and then we reverse, then we still see the reverse camera right here. Okay, and when we put it back, we actually can come back to the other camera section, and now we actually can see the factory camera again when we press the button. So that's the cool system that we add in, and also that's the good thing for the car. So hopefully you enjoy it, and yes, we already finished our job to rescue the Kakadu back to the normal working condition of the entertainment system, and then we upgrade our new premium head unit setup. So yes, it's ready, and yeah, thanks for watching. I will see you on the next one.